everyone. I welcome you all for doing Law Ki Padhai together. So, I've already discussed with you meaning of law, definition of law, nature of law, and today I'll be discussing about the purpose and functions of law. As I already told you that law is a dynamic concept. Laws keeps on changing with the changes in the society, and they are supposed to change so as to maintain the equilibrium, so as to maintain the balance. Okay. So, what is the purpose of law? Can you think of some purpose of law? Can you just think about what purpose does it fulfills in our society? What purpose does it fulfill in our society? Okay. So just think, why is it important? I've already discussed about the advantages and disadvantages of law, right? If you'll go through my previous video, you will come to know what are the advantages and disadvantages of having a law. So now after becoming aware of what are the advantages and disadvantages, you can make out that why law is important in the society, right? What purpose does it fulfills in our society? So these are the purposes which the law has to fulfill in our society. Okay. The first purpose is distributive justice. Second is corrective justice. Third is social justice. Fourth is uniformity. Fifth is impartiality, one of the most important element of law. Okay. Then is stability, and the last but not the least, it is security of social order. Now let's discuss these points in detail. Okay. So let's come towards the first point, distributive justice. So what is distributive justice? Distributive justice ensures equal distribution of justice to all. Justice has been given to all. You know that law considers everyone equal, okay? No one is above the law, okay? It considers everyone equal. Everyone is equal in the eyes of law. So, justice has to be done equally with all the persons. Everybody has got the right to get justice in each and every sphere of their life, okay? And if I'll take an example of Article 14, just think of what is Article 14. Article 14 of our Indian constitutional law deals with equal protection of law, equality before law and equal protection law. As per Article 14, everyone is equal in the eyes of law. Okay, everyone has to get equal protection by law. Nobody is considered over and above the law. This is Article 14 of our Indian Constitution. It also helps in ensuring distributive justice in our society, which is one of the most important and crucial function of our law. Okay. Then if we'll talk about another example, it can be Article 38 of the Indian Constitution. Article 38 of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy, wherein it is the responsibility of the state to ensure that its policies are such that every citizen is getting proper livelihood, is getting proper means of earning. Okay, everybody is earning proper money, equal pay for equal work. It deals with equal pay for equal work. Article 39 of Indian Constitution, equal pay for equal work, and it ensures that the economic policies should be such that the concentration of wealth is not in the hands of few. These are equally distributed among everyone. Everybody should get equality. Equality is one of the most important element of law. So, distributive justice. These are the examples. These are some of the examples of distributive justice, wherein you can make out how law helps in maintaining and establishing and maintaining justice in our society. Now let's talk about corrective justice. What is corrective justice and justice? Corrective justice basically brings connection between the wrong and the remedy which he is supposed to give to the person or the group of persons with whom he has committed that wrong. Okay? If a person is doing anything wrong, then he is supposed to rectify his act as per law, and he has to compensate the other person or persons with whom the wrong has been committed. Okay, this is corrective justice, that he is correcting his act. He is correcting his act by if a person, for example, if a person has done, you can take an example of her home. If a child does anything wrong, then he is supposed to improve his act. He is supposed to go and say sorry to his parents. Okay, he is supposed to say sorry to anybody, like his friends. If he's doing anything wrong with his friends, he's supposed to say sorry to his friends. If he's doing anything wrong with his cousins, with brother, sister, father, mother or parent, he has to remedify his act. How? By saying sorry to them. In the same way, if an act is such that it is doing something, the act is doing something wrong with the persons, okay? It is doing injustice with the other persons, but it is affecting the persons. Then that act has to be corrected. That act has to be, that person has to be punished as per law, and the other person is supposed to get justice because he has suffered something wrong. Okay, I hope that corrective justice is clear, distributive justice is clear. Now let's come towards social justice. What is social justice? As we already know that maintaining social order in the society is very important, and laws only helps in maintaining the social order in the society. And because of the law, social order is maintained, and hence social justice is maintained in the society. So that is why social justice can be achieved, because law helps in maintaining social order. For example, you can take Motor Vehicles Act. Motor Vehicles Act basically brings about a discipline on the road, discipline of the person driving on the road and walking on the road. Okay, so this is an example of social justice, a small example. Okay, you can think of many such examples. Now, uniformity, because the laws are same, I'm not talking about the state laws, but I'm talking about the law which is there for the complete country. I'm not talking about the personal laws of the state, like personal laws of Maharashtra or personal laws of Gujarat or Kerala or West Bengal. I'm just talking about the laws, codified laws of the complete nation, like IPC, CRPC, CPC. So these are uniform and these apply similarly all over India. Okay, so it brings uniformity. Next, impartiality. The main purpose of the law is that laws are impartial in their nature. They help reduce partiality. They help in maintaining justice in the society, maintaining justice with the individuals. So, impartiality, stability, because laws are rigid, those cannot be changed or amended easily. That is why they are rigid, and hence because of the rigidity, they are stable in our society. They cannot be changed like that only. Okay. Next, security of social order. As I already discussed, that the laws brings about the changes in the society, and because of the changes in the society, the social order in the society is established. You are knowing how you are supposed to behave in the public. What are the rules that you have to adhere to when you are at a public place? Okay, you know that if you do anything wrong, you will be penalized by fine. It can be fine. You can take an example of Delhi Metro. If you will not behave properly at the premises of Delhi Metro, and if you tend to injure the other person or cause any harm to the other person, you will be penalized. So you need to check your behavior. You need to behave properly at the metro or any other public place, right? So this is the thing of security of social order. So that's all for today. In case of any doubts, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you all. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, please take care. Read as much as you can. Drink lots and lots of water. Exercise. Stay happy, stay fit, study and study. Be positive, everyone. So, thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.